Hello guys, in this video we are going to design a very cool and a simple design app. This one I got it from Dribble. From There was a guy posted there randomly. I got it some days ago. I liked this design, this style. It's simple and nicely designed. That's why I plan to just redesign this using Adobe XD in this video. Let's go ahead and design it. For this, we need a background, this dark blue background, and these cards, this bottom bar, and this floating action button. It's so easy. Let's go ahead and just start with our app. For the background, we will get a rectangle, make it as much as you want. This is your choice, like how small you want your bottom bar should be. Yeah, that's clear. If your bottom bar is a little bit small, it will look advanced and very cool. So I like it to be this much, and another one for bottom bar. Let's just stick them together on. We will remove the borders in a while, but let me check. The color is white. I guess already white. This one color is dark blue. We will go to blue, then dark blue, a little bit more darker. This is fine now. So for the bottom bar, we need two icons, which is home icon and save icon. I will use the icon for design. I will just write home. Which one is a cool design for home? Let's bring this, not fill but border. Yeah, it should be fine. Whenever the home is pressed, the border should be red, and the border lines can be around it, around it. Yeah, it's cool now. It's fine. Very nice. Let me just increase the size by 2. It will be more. No, maybe 1.5. 1.5. His size should be a little bit small, I think. Smaller is better. Yeah, this is looking fine. Let me define the size from here, 20 by 20. And it should be in center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5. Now it can be in center, I think. Is it? Yes. Now we have a center point because this top and bottom should be equal. We can decrease this. Just by putting there. This is the home icon. I will also give some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares maybe, or 6 is enough. Now I will search for the save, not bookmark. Yeah, bookmark this icon, and I will bring it. I'll make it 20 by 20. Oh, the height can't be 20, it should be 30 or 25. 25 is good because this is somehow should be longer, and this is also not filled but border. This one should be gray. Oh, it's still bigger. It should be 22, 15, 20. Now it's fine. Placing this with the same spacing from here, 6 right in here. Should be center. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's okay. This is a cool design now. So we need a flattening action button inside the right in the center. We can draw that using this. How's that? Looking nice. Is this much enough? Yeah, for button. For button itself, this is enough. It can be 56. Yeah, 56 is enough for me. I will add button inside it. Oh, how is this? No, I'll just add iOS. Add right in center. Yes, nice positioned. Then this one is filled with white color. Button itself is filled with red. There's no border. And select both of them by holding Shift and Control G for grouping them together. Now this one should be in here, and right in the center. Position in the center. Okay, cool. Okay, I will add another circle for that. The background, send it to backward, pressing Alt to resize from all the side. This much. Yeah, 66 can be good. No, a bit bigger. Yeah, 72 is way more nice. Remove the border, and that 66 was better. I mean 68 maybe. 68. Ah, a visible down part. Is it? I think it's center now. Is it? Yes. So now I can change the color back to white. Let me run in the device and see the cool design. Wow. This one color gray should be a little bit darker because it's not visible clearly. Watch out in device. Has it refreshed? Again. It should be rounded to 1.5. Now it will be visible, I think. Yeah, it is. Nice. So this is our home. Let's see what else we have inside the home. Hmm. Background is not matching, but this background is cooler than that background. I think it's looking nice for me. Let's go ahead and design this text and this search icon. Browse spoons. What is spoons? Text. Browse. Browse. White color. It should be, I think. No, not this one. Regular. Which Roboto? Yeah, Roboto. It should not be italic. Why is italic? By default. Hmm. Open Sans is better because Roboto, I don't know why I couldn't change that italic. Okay, this is bold. It looks very similar. 32. Just locate it right there. Cool. Just let me take the sizes from 32 and 30, 52. 32 by 52. Now I need an icon like this. I have to draw a circle, an equally circle. See the size? Size can be 32 by 32. Is it? No. 42 by 42. That's cool. Search this. I will search. Maybe let's move it. Click it. It should come inside this, and the size can be resized by 24 by 24. Should come right in the center. I think I have to use this small search instead of that bigger one. Now this is 22 by 22. Oh, that really exceeded. About one. Looking cool. Oh, two is enough. Just resizing it a bit. Now select all of them in the center. Can't be positioned in the center. Yeah, that's in the center. Cool. Should be a bit more smaller. I think 18 by 18. How's 18? This is it. Remove border and add some. I have to add this color in the assets. Then I can use this one, the same color but more darker. How? How is that? Yes, is more dark. So that background is dark, lighter, and that one is more dark. Since our background is more darker, I can make it lighter. Let me check if it works. I will check. Pretty cool it is. Fine, but no, it's not matching that. Let me just make it darker. Just changing the background to a little bit. Which color is that? Yeah, this makes cool design now. This is great. I've moved it. Looking nice now. So I think I have removed the border, that's why there's an issue here. Let me remove this one as well. Do we have an issue? Do we? Okay. Now let's. This is looking cool. Let's just place this one as well. These two should be grouped together and moved. How much? 32. 32 by 50. 50 how much? Is it 55? 55, oh, it should be 56, I think. Yeah, 56. 50. Oh, it's been 60. It can be center with this one, not with. I can make these two as group and align them like this. Now group. This group should be named as. Where is that? This group is app bar. I'll name it like that. This, which group is this? Floating action button. And this one should be. I don't want to group this because I just want to group all of them. Without this, these top bottom bar should be grouped and named as bottom bar. What is this rectangle? This is background. Now we have a nice, cool, clear design of our home. Next, we will add these cards. Let's go ahead and draw the card. Let me lock the background. The size for this can be good. I'll make it center. This size is enough. What about the width? It is equal. I think it should be a little bit smaller. Yeah, this size is nice now, and it is in the center. Let me take my T. Okay, next we have the text. We can take this one text from here to there, and we have a button and a number for that. I can just copy this text and paste it here, grab it, change the color to black, then changing the text, where do young cows eat for lunch? Oh, where do young cows eat lunch? Lunch. What does it mean? And I can change this text to be multi-line, then small it lunch. Align, somehow center, maybe no, center. Okay, this is fine here. I forget to make this one without border and round it. This one should be rounded of 20, exact 20 it is. Yes. And let me take that text now, writing that text. The text font of some number. Yes, number 1122. Then that is different color. Let me take this color. From here I will add the color to here because I want them to be same. They look more nice. That color, and the size is small. Let's see what size can we choose. Size 16. Nice match. This should be here. 90. I like 90. And from top, this 26. Let's make it zoom out. Yeah, 26 is enough for that. And from the top, this 56. Yeah, it is looking nice. Same here. I will make it 26, and from bottom I space of 4 between these two. I think it is looking nice now. Now let's design the button. We have a rectangle. The background color for this is red, not too much that red, but a little bit dark. The rounded for this can be 50. Yeah, nice guessing. I can guess very nice. So the width for this is 128 and 40. Let me put some text on it, which is called reveal. The text color can be white, can be centered, and I think this button size is a little bit, should be one smaller. Cool. And the text should be one. Let me check the semi-bold. Semi-bold is good. Now we should make a center. Grouping them together and calling reveal button. Placing them right aligned with the other ones. 26. And from bottom it was 56, I think. 56. Make it 56. It is looking nice. Is it? The width for this is a little bit small. Let me think. Let me just make it a little bit big from both sides by pressing Alt. It should be okay because my screen is small in width and bigger in height, but it is cool in this screen size. It will be automatic according to screen size, so for now it is nice. Let's do this one, design this one guy here. For that I can just duplicate this one and edit the background to be half, having some shadow. Then these ones are same, and adding this. Let's go ahead. Do we have the text is changed to saved boons? Saved, yes, boons. The rest is same. And where do cows eat for lunch? Oh, it's same. And this background should be half. It's locked. I can take it to exact half. Don't know where is the half. Height for this is 419, and height for the background is 812. 812 by divided by 4, it will be 406, and it is now nicely divided by 2, is it? Yes. So let me add some shadows. Yeah, shadow. Blur background shadow, yes. Shadow down 10. Yes, yeah. 50. 50 is less. 200. Is it? 300 is good to go. 300, and blur should be 50. Oh, cool. Radius. How can we apply the radius for the shadow? Can't. This is a circular shadow. I can do one more thing instead of the shadow, just because it's not possible. Huh? Let me remove it and add a circle here. Very nice, cool circle. Resize and the much that I want. Is it good? I think it should be. This much shadow I want to apply. Let me try. I haven't tried. Let me just try. Not fill. Border should be background blur. No, shadow. And shadow color. It should not be filled. No. I can apply a fill color for this, but not shadow. And I can send it to background to very backward. Let me send it to back. Okay. Now picking the color, the right color for background blur, object blur. Wow, wow, it gives me the same result that I want. I can just make it. Oh, Control Z. Let me do it from both sides for a better look. The fill color can be object blur is having some amount. Shoot. It is looking cool now. Let's just ugly. It's same. It is same. How it can be ugly, but for me it's ugly. Let me just modify. Color. Oh, the center part should be. No, I didn't want that. I wanted this. Oh. Color. Yes, now it is looking. Let me decrease the width for the circle a little bit so it will look like it is come from here to here. Now it is looking way more nice. Oh, there's another shadow from the bottom bar. I think yes. Let me select the bottom bar itself and put some shadow. 20 is bottom, then I can do -5, then blur for this 10. -3, blur 15. How is it? Is it cool? Is it cool? -2. It can be -2. -2 and 6. Oh, yeah, this is looking perfect. Instead of 6 I can use 10. Will give more realistic shadow. Oh, that 8. Last time 8. Just where decrease the opacity. 8. This is now cool. Okay. Now this page is also designed very well. So I can go ahead in this page and we have the same cards duplicated. I have to first make them as a group. Select this, all of them group. Card, just for myself. This is background. Okay, Control C, Control V, the card. Okay, know that. Now the size for this card is small. Oh, why this is, do we have manual? No. And instead of redesigning this guy, I have another plan if it didn't work. Let me just decrease the font for this guy, 24. It worked. Okay, it's fine if it's working, then I can, not there. Should be centered with this. Just press this one. And about the size. Listen, bottom part. Why? Should be center. I'll put it in center. The sizing 20 space, 20 is enough. Now copying the same thing in here. It should be in center, and space should be 20. Again, paste it. It has come auto 20. That is amazing. Now let's see. Cool. Now I want to add the animation whenever we slide this or we tap here. That should come. Let's try. Going to prototype. From this guy I want to go to let me do one thing. This is card, this is card, it should be card. Card. Then we don't have anything else. Background lock, ellipse. What is this ellipse? Okay, there is nothing. Oh, stop. I think I have to choose something there. Now prototype, selecting this guy. From here to this page I wanted to have, what is that, the hell? Okay, I wanted to have drag and auto animation. Let's try drag. Why it's not working? From this to this page I said drag. Scroll to, I have chosen the scroll to now. It should scroll to, yeah, I have to specify now. Scroll to where? To another card. Wow, if it works like that. No, this is now hell. Drag destination. I don't know what's the problem with this. It should work. Let me do the tap. Just by tapping it should. Oh, cool. Cool, cool, cool. So the problem is that dragging it cannot identify maybe this guy here, because there's no I haven't created a row for background like this. There should be a row wrapped, and it will understand that it is draggable. So I'll do one thing. I will specify the tab for this. Instead of this, I will say tab. It will go to this screen, auto animation. Wow, wow. And when I tap here, it should come back there. Here, tap auto animation. Tap, tap. Oh, that should not come this side. Previews artwork. Ha! You know why it is happening? Because this name of this card and name of this card is same. That's why this card is animating to that card. If I change the name for this card, suppose card 2, and run this now, I will not have this. You see, that is how animations work. So this is the video. I have done this design. It's really cool and simple design. Uh, it's maybe I plan to next time I will make the application for this in Flutter. So thank you for watching the design. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like for more of this. I'll choose some random images from the internet and design like this. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in next video.